This Degnaud Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Degnaud. Move-in ready. Welcome home to this recently renovated townhome with 2 spacious bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Tile flooring throughout. Freshly painted with new kitchen and appliances. Screened-in patio and separate large laundry room that can accommodate full-size washer and dryer. Conveniently located within 10 minutes to Port Canaveral and beaches, a short 40-minute drive to Orlando Airport, and walking/bicycling distance to Eastern Florida State College, formerly known as BCC, restaurants and shopping. No pets allowed per association. For more info or to see this unit, call/text Barry Taylor 321-795-7074 for more information. Review the details below or contact Christine Degnaud at 321-591-3228.